Hey, I see you. Maybe you've been carrying something heavy lately, or maybe showed up out of nowhere. Whatever it is, I want you to hear this. You're not broken, you're just in a moment. And this moment, it doesn't define you. We all have days like this, where things feel off, where you don't quite feel like yourself. And honestly, that's okay. You don't have to figure it all out today. You don't have to be on all the time. Sometimes, the most healing thing you can do is pause. Let's ask a few gentle questions. Have I felt like this before? What might this feeling be trying to show me? What's one thing I need right now just to feel a little more like me? That's it. Just 3 simple questions. That's all it takes to start shifting the energy. Because here's the truth. You don't need all the answers. You don't need to map out the next 5 steps. You don't need to fix anything right now. You just need a little space to breathe, to listen, to come back home to you. Because you're not lost. You're just remembering your way back. And that's more than enough. If this spoke to you, share it with someone who might need it too. Or save it later for the next time your heart needs a soft place to land. This is your reset, your breath, your pause, your reminder that you've got everything you need already within you.